Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy clam chowder. Start by rendering about 4 ounces of diced bacon in a large pot until it's wonderfully crispy. Remove the bacon, leaving the flavorful fat behind. In that same pot, gently sauté 1 cup of diced yellow onion and 1 cup of diced celery until they are tender and translucent. This initial step is crucial for developing a rich, savory base for your delicious clam chowder. Next, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, stirring constantly for 1 minute to create a roux. Slowly whisk in 2 cups of clam juice and 1 cup of water, ensuring no lumps form. Now, add about 2 cups of peeled and diced Yukon Gold potatoes. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. Now it is time to make your chowder truly creamy. Pour in 2 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of rich, heavy cream. Stir these in thoroughly. Then, gently fold in 2 cans of drained, chopped clams. It is important to heat the chowder slowly over medium-low heat, bringing it to a gentle warmth. Avoid boiling it, as this can cause the dairy to curdle and the clams to become tough. Finally, taste and season your chowder generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of dried thyme. Stir in the crispy bacon you set aside earlier, adding a wonderful textural contrast. Ladle the warm, creamy chowder into bowls. For a fresh finish, garnish each serving with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or chives. Enjoy your homemade, comforting clam chowder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.